In our roles in our district, we are the support. Through this academy, they have supported us.
Everything that we do in Clark County is student-centered, so they are our North Star.
In our district, it's very important that we get input from all stakeholders, and getting input from our students, we learned that they want more hands-on learning. So we reflected and said, how do we incorporate what they really want and really incorporate that into things that we're doing but maybe need to tweak and revise? And out of that became our prototype. So our prototype this year has been ensuring that our events are really student-centered. We've really shifted what a parent night or an open house really looks like. So instead of them just coming in meeting teachers, it's really student-friendly, student-led, and our students are having opportunities to talk about their learning and really showcase what they've learned throughout the course of the year.
When you're a part of a network such as this, it allows you to collaborate with other districts to learn and look at what fit for their district. Can you tweak?
What has surprised us is being able to kind of step away in a separate environment together and just kind of let our minds go in a sense.
Throughout this process, we've bounced a lot of ideas off of each other, and somebody will say something, and somebody will add on to it, and so that's been really powerful.
It's allowed us to build connections, not only deeper connections with each other where trust is involved, but also build connections with other districts.
Sometimes we're just caught up in the day-to-day, like, hey, we gotta get this stuff done, more like a checklist type thing. But this process has really been reflective and given me the chance to think through things.